for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch.
Ill Will.
Yeah, college education, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact of the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
DJ Rockstar.
How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Just traveling the world,
Will I see you again?
trying different drugs and girls. Yeah,
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing
What
up
it's
the
all about,
hill,
though.
searching for the thrill of it.
Yeah, man,
All that long, we are calling out, not again. Never looking down, I'm just an aura, what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we ride a whole way. Bitches, I tailor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. Take the low one out of there. Or like, just turn it down. And then I'ma probably just go back and double another one of them high ones. That one of them shits be like real airy, fucking dreamy and shit. Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a room on stage, interviews, tons of sour, less consume. Yeah.